Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today our topic is sales. Now let's do the first exercise.
Match the shop signs with the sentences.
Sentence number 1. Prices are much less now than they used to be. What picture matches with this sentence? Well done. Sentence number 2. If you buy one, you'll get another one for free. Which shop sign matches this sentence? Great, well done. And the last sentence. If you buy something, you will only pay 50% of the original cost. And this is picture number 1. Well done. Now, let's talk about transforming keywords. This is a very useful tool for paraphrasing. So we can say the same thing in different ways by transforming keywords only. For example, Sammy's mother didn't let her go shopping until she had finished her homework. Or, Sammy's mother made her finish her homework before she went shopping. So in the second sentence, we use before instead of until. Another example. Anna's husband cut up her credit card so that she couldn't spend any more money. Or we can say, Anna's husband cut up her credit cards to stop her from spending any more money. So as you can see, the meaning of the sentences is absolutely the same, because we only change keywords. Now let's do an exercise on transforming words.
Complete the second sentence so that it means the same as the first sentence. Use the word in capitals and up to 5 other words.
Let's start. Sentence number 1. The sales have been on since last month, so it's not worth going to them now. We need to use the word point to paraphrase the sentence. Let's try. The sales have been on since last month, so there is no point in going to them now. Yes, this is correct. Let's do the next one. I had never been shopping in the street market before. Here we need to use the word first. It was the first time I had ever been shopping in the street market. Great. Next. Although I went to every shop on the high street, I couldn't find anything I liked. The word even should be used. I couldn't find anything I liked, even though I went to every shop in the high street. Well done. Next. I missed the opening of the sales because my train was delayed. We need to use the word time. If the train had been on time, I would not have missed the opening of the sales. Fantastic. Next. I've got an early start tomorrow, so I ought to go to bed soon. We need to use the word better. I've got an early start tomorrow, so I had better go to bed soon. Well done. I can't wait to wear my new dress at the party this weekend. Use the word looking. I'm looking forward to wearing my new dress at the party this weekend. Well done. Next. Luckily, there was enough money in my bank account to pay for my shopping trip to London. Run. Use the word run to make the sentence. Luckily, I didn't run out of my money to pay for my shopping trip to London. And the last sentence. I finally managed to find something to wear to my brother's wedding. Succeeded. Finally succeeded in finding something to wear to my brother's wedding. Great, well done. Now let's do an exercise to revise second conditional from last lesson.
Choose the correct word.
Let's start. Number 1. No, that's not correct, because after if we use verb in the past tense, so the right answer should be bought. If you bought it in a sale, it would be cheaper. Well done. Next. Well done. If I saw a cheaper watch, I'd buy it. After if we used past tense. Number 3. No, this is not correct, because in the second clause we use would plus verb. This is the right answer. If you tried that dress on, you'd see if it looked nice on you. Next. Well done. If you used a credit card, you'd have 30 days to pay off the bill. Next. If the luxury boutique sold inexpensive clothing, I do my shopping there. Well done. Next. If I were rich, I'd buy my clothes in designer boutiques. Well done. If you needed glasses, those would suit you. Great. And now let's do the last one. Fantastic. If I had the talent, I'd love to design clothes. Well done. And the last exercise for today.
Put the words in order. Then listen and check.
Let's start. Number 1. Great.
If I saw a cheaper pair of real leather gloves, I'd buy them tomorrow.
Next. Let's check.
I wouldn't buy that shirt if I were you. It doesn't suit you.
Well done. Next. Let's check.
If you bought that suit in the sale, it would be a lot less expensive.
Next. Let's listen.
I'd take it back to the shop and complain if I found a fault.
Next. Let's listen.
If you shopped in a supermarket, you'd get much better reductions.
Let's check.
If I bought my food at the farmer's market, I'd have to get up at 7 o'clock.
Well done. One more. Let's listen.
If I looked like a film star, I wouldn't need to spend so much money on clothes.
And the last one. Let's listen.
If I had more money, I wouldn't shop on the high street.
Well done. This is the end of our lesson today. Thank you. Goodbye.